Ibotta's team feature doesn't increase your cashback rate, but it can make your rewards feel faster because multiple users combine earnings progress towards shared bonuses and group goals inside the app. By the end of this, you'll know what the team feature actually does, how it affects your earnings, and whether it's worth using compared to just using Ibotta solo. Start with what the team feature actually is. Inside Ibotta, the team feature lets users join a group where everyone's cashback activity contributes to shared progress bars or bonus milestones. It doesn't change how individual offers pay. Every reward still depends on the same rules. Activate offers, buy matching products, and submit receipts. So the important detail is this: your personal earnings don't get boosted automatically just because you're on a team. Now what it does change. The main impact is motivation and bonus unlocks tied to group activity. When multiple users in a team complete offers, the group may reach milestones faster, which can unlock extra rewards or limited time bonuses, depending on what Ibotta is running at the time. That means your earnings can indirectly improve, but only if the team collectively hits those thresholds. If your team is inactive, the feature does almost nothing for your personal cashback. Next is how people actually use it in practice. Most users either join random teams or ignore the feature completely. Random teams often have uneven activity, so progress can be inconsistent. Active communities or friend-based teams tend to move faster because more receipts are being submitted regularly. But even in active teams, your individual earning power still depends on your own shopping behavior. The app never shares your cashback with others or reduces your payout because of team participation. Now the real question: is it worth using? If you already use Ibotta casually, joining a team doesn't hurt and can occasionally unlock extra bonuses you wouldn't get alone. But if you're expecting it to increase your base cashback per receipt, it won't do that. So the value of the feature is indirect. It adds a layer of shared progress and occasional bonus opportunities, not a higher payout rate on everyday shopping. Summary: Ibotta's team feature groups users to unlock shared bonuses, but it does not change individual cashback rates. Benefits depend on team activity. Your personal earnings still come from matching offers correctly. Next step: join a team inside the app and track whether your group actually hits any bonus milestones over the next few shopping trips before relying on it. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of cashback apps without confusion or hype.